Welcome to the Message of the Chart channel. Today we will just have a look at the HSCL chart, Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited. We will try to understand what is the message being given by this HSCL chart and whether we will be able to utilize this message for our benefit. But before going to the chart, let us have a look at this. Let us have a look at the weekly chart of the Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited. The first thing I will see in the weekly chart is the volumes. This is the volume panel. Here high volume is available, and that is precisely the reason we are now discussing about this chart. Earlier to this, if you observe, here some good volume is visible. This good volume has resulted in a very good up move. The reason is, whenever the high volume like this is observed in any chart, that shows the entry of some very big institution or some big operators with very deep packets. So once they are entering with such a huge amount, they will not leave that stock without getting very huge profit, very decent profit. If you see this weekly chart, for a lot of period, almost from 2011 August up to this period, 2017, almost more than 6 years, this has remained in a same range. It has been trading within a range. But once the operators entered with a high volume here, one can be sure of breaking out this range and moving to a higher level. So what we retail investors can do is, once such a high volume is observed, we can enter here. The rate here was very less, around 16 rupees or whatever it is. So at this point, if we are entering and if we are patiently waiting up to this level, our waiting period compared to the range bound movement of the stock is still less. Suppose we are entering at this point, that is February 2016, we are getting the high price somewhere in January 2018, which is very reasonable. For 2 years, once you are able to wait, then only such investors only can enter this stock. But the reward is, the waiting for 2 years is offering a very decent reward, which is visible from the movement of the stock from somewhere around 16 or 18 rupees to up to the level of 196, huge profit. So here the operators might have just exited. After that it has came down. It is again started moving in a small range. Now very huge volume is observed at this point. This huge volume is the indication that the operators or big institutions have already entered here. So this is weekly chart. Now we will go to the daily chart. If you go to the daily chart, the high volume is observed somewhere here. That is again February. I think February is a good ideal time for big shots and operators to enter the stock. So this February they have entered with a high volume at a price of around this level, that is 46, 40 to 43, in fact 40 to 43 range they have entered. Now slowly it will start moving out of this range. Once it is moving out of this range, there will be sharp up move, which may take some good time, maybe up to 2 years if the past history is to be believed, but now it may be quicker also. The time taken for the share to be in the range and the time taken by the same share to move from a lower level to higher level, if you compare, the waiting time is less for us only. If one is entering here thinking that this is the low, he has to wait for more period to get the actual benefit. Whereas if we are observing the volumes like this and then we are deciding our entry, it will be easier for us to spot the opportunity by the volume, and our waiting period comparatively will be lesser. This is the important value of the volume. Before entering any share, it is always advisable to have a look at the company's details. What the company is doing, in what business the company is in now, and what are their products. All such details can be just we as an investor in that company, we are supposed to know the details. We will have a look at such details for this HSCL. For that, we will go to the site screener.in. If you go to the screener.in site, we are having a tab here, search for a company. Here we will just enter the name of the company about which we want to have the details. Once it has selected this particular company, here the site of the company will be available. If we click on that, we will have this details about the company. Maybe just we can have a look here. So milestones from 1990, what are all the major activities taken place in this company, that is available here. We can have a look at the products also. Carbo products, mostly carbon black, coal, tar pitch, lot of products, specialty chemicals. So they are having lot of these chemical products, specialty chemical products. Those who are interested to know more about these products can click on this know more, so that we will be able to see more information. Even they have a link about the industries. So aluminum industry, batteries, lithium ion, graphite, infrastructure. So where their products are used, these industries, tires, we will be able to have some idea about what the company is producing and what will be the future for such a market. We will, because of the overall development happening, we will be able to guess what is the scope for this. So this we can have a look to know some details, and we can guess whether it is a one-time activity, because of that there has been some profit, or it is having some continuous demand. The company will be able to perform better in coming days also. These things we will be able to guess by having a look at the products. We will go back to the screener. Here we can have a look at the different details. Current price, book value, return on equity, return on capital employed, debt to equity. I always have more importance to this information, debt to equity. The lower the debt to equity, the better for us. That will be reducing the interest outgo. Even here, if you see at some point of time during 2018, they were paying interest of 19 crores. These figures are in crores. Now it has come down to 7. That means that they have reduced the borrowings. So sales in any company, if the sales are gradually increasing, it is always good. Here it was okay. This is of course for the quarterly period. We can see there is a drop from March 20, June 20, it is a huge drop. Again now it is picking up. This is due to the pandemic, because around February 20 only the lockdown was imposed in our country. So because of that, there is a drop in the net profit, and then again it has started picking up. If we have a look at the profit and sale, the sale is increasing. Sale is definitely increasing. Yearly sales, if we see from 376 in 2009, it has reached 2000 crores in 2018. In about 9 years, there is a very reasonable, decent, good increase in the sales. For any company, the increase in sales is one of the parameters which we have to give more weightage. And March, due to the pandemic, it has came down. So with their products line intact, we can expect the sales to pick up in the near future. Operating profit, the contribution of the other income to the total profit, we have to always just compare. This is okay. So here also it has reached the peak of 560 crores operating profit in 2019. Due to pandemic, it has started coming down. It will pick up soon. The net profit they have picked up. So in the balance sheets, the borrowings are available. At one point of time, they had a loan of 1,362 crores, but now it has got reduced to 596 crores. It is good. And still they are having 168 crores work in progress. We can have a look at the shareholding pattern also. Who is the shareholder? All these details also we will be able to see. The point is, if there is any reduction in the shareholding pattern, we have to have a look. Here you can see from 48.9 it has got reduced to 45.44, but the major shareholder has not reduced from 43.6. if you compare these two figures, from 48.9 to 45.44, but it is not due to the major shareholder. Some of the minor, maybe this Himadri Credit and Finance Limited, they have reduced to 2.27 to 0.35. They might have sold it to some institution or some foreign institution, because they are also in the foreign institution. There is some slight increase, but domestic institution, there is reduction. Public just having almost 53. So here also some major shareholder is having 11%. Some reduction is there. So all these details we will be able to have a look by visiting the screener.in site, and the company site will give some idea about the products and their possibility for recovery in future, the sales whatever it has come down due to the pandemic. We can have a look at this daily chart again. This point where the earlier recent high is there, when this point is breaking out, that is 60 rupees. So now it is in 53, 54 level. When it is breaking up 60 with reasonable volume, definitely there will be decent uptrend. That is the hope here. Nothing is guaranteed in stock market, but this high volume is giving the conviction. We have to patiently wait. That is the use of volume in taking the trading decision. Hope this video helped the viewers to know how to deal with the chart. See, we have not used any indicator here. That is what I was always telling. The volume and the just price is enough to take a trading decision, decent trading decision. So different time frames will offer different period of holding also. So now, so always I will see the first weekly chart and spot the different locations where the high volume is there. What happened from the earlier high volume we know. Now again the high volume is there. This time the volume is much higher than the earlier 2016 volume also. Considering this can be considered for kept in watch list, and by taking advice from your financial advisor and doing your own research, you can take a trading decision. Happy investing, happy trading from Nathan.